Hello and welcome to a new topic. Why is the history of English literature divided into periods? Lecture 3. Division of English literature into periods. The division of history of English literature is made primarily as a matter of convenience. Why? Because it is necessary to break a large subject up into parts for better understanding, for better comprehension. We continue. Division of English literature into periods. A period is a certain length of time during which a particular kind of taste prevails, a particular way of writing prevails. The literature of a particular period is marked by various common characteristics of subject matter, thought, tone, and style. We continue with some more ideas. Division of English literature into periods. Undoubtedly, the individual writers of a particular period differs one from another in the specific qualities of personality and in the way they write. We continue. However, we notice that some common characteristics remain pronounced features in the works of all of them, in the works of all of the writers. We have some more ideas about. Having said that, we must be on our guard against treating these periods as absolute fixed. Why? Because history knows nothing of absolute endings and beginnings. It recognizes only a continuous flow. We continue. Hence, in fact, age overlaps age, and in a strict chronology, a man's work may begin in one and end in another. Still, on the whole, the periods of literature are fairly defined. We have some more ideas. They help us concentrate attention upon the things which are most important in each successive stage of that great gradual transformation. This is actually the main business of a period of history of English literature. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.